Welcome back to Real Extreme Fishing. Today we're back down here at the creek. We're going to hit this creek once again on the other side of the tunnel like I mentioned in my last video. What we're going to do is we'll start right at the dam, see if we can get a fish or two there. Then we'll go through the tunnel and we'll see what's on the other end. So everybody stay tuned. Alright guys, back here at the dam. I'm actually going to throw this. This is actually one of the plastics I make. It's a 3.5 inch. It's mainly for bass. It's just a swim bait, but I'm going to throw it a few times just for the heck of it. And this is what we're going to put on it, give it some scent. Some Trophy Trout Super Gel. Thick stuff. Oh yeah, it stinks. If we don't get bit on this in a few minutes, we'll throw a gulp on here and then we'll head through the tunnel. All right, that's got some good action there, guys. Alright guys, got a 3-inch gulp on. First tunnel, guys. Doesn't look too deep, but very shallow. Alright guys, nothing on that side. We're gonna make our way down here. Probably gonna hit the river, but before we do that, I'm gonna try some vertical jigging over this waterfall where I started from. Back there is just too shallow, nothing really much going on, and I really don't want to walk it up, keep walking too much farther, wasting time. So like I said, we'll jig it up here and then we'll hit somewhere else. Just gotta be careful, make sure it's not slippery first. It's kind of slippery, guys, so I'm not gonna do that. All right, guys, spot number 2 here. Wade the river. Sticking with that goat minnow for now. All right, guys, nothing yet. Hopefully we can catch one over here. It's a deep section, so. We'll give this a little bit longer. If we don't get anything, maybe we'll throw a crankbait on. There's one, guys. Nice one, too. Nice one, guys. Drop my minnows in there. Hoo-hoo-hoo, look at this one. Wow, very nice one here. $15 inches. Nice 15-inch brownie here. Here we go, guys. I'm not even going to touch them because I don't want to wet my hands, because the water is freezing. It's like ice on my net here. All right, let's go out there a little bit. Release them here. All right, guys, let them go. There he goes, guys. Nice 15-incher. Well, that's gonna do it, guys. We caught one trout. Not a very good day. It was just too cold. It's been so cold the last few days here. I mean, the water temperature, I'm guessing it's got to be close to freezing. It's that cold. Hopefully we'll get a warm up here and I will be able to catch more fish. But please, if you like my videos, please hit that thumbs up button, and if you haven't already, subscribe to new content. Thanks again. Have a wonderful day.